you look at the canals, there are so many boats just lying there, while there are also so many people willing to sail, but they don't have a boat, because it's too expensive, because they don't have a docking place, or just because they want to enjoy once in a while but not have the burden. So why not connect those unused boats in the canals to these willing people? That's why we created a hoist skipper. With a hoist skipper, boat owners can rent out their boats when they are not using it to, well, everyone. This will not only reduce the amount of idle time that the boats have, it will also provide an extra income to the boat owners and a lot of pleasure to the renters. We do this through an online marketplace accessible via our website and mobile apps, both Android and iOS. Recently, we have released our minimum viable product and we're working on getting the first boat owners to sign up so we can start sailing this upcoming summer.
Have you ever been in the situation where you're sitting on a couch across from your partner and you notice you're both on your devices instead of actually being in the moment? Especially during these times of Corona, we constantly find ourselves at home. We work at home, eat at home, and now we even date at home.
How difficult is it for you right now to date at home? Dating at home can be very hard, but that's where we come in. We are date designers who design unique dates where you and your partner can have more quality time. All you have to do is provide us with your availability, your budget, and a little bit about yourself, and we do the rest. We understand the value and importance of quality time to build connections, and we have a mass network to bring spice to your dates at home.
We're successfully going through our beta testing phase right now, and in order for us to begin the alpha testing phase, we are looking for a developer or funding to be able to outsource the development process. So would you like to join us on our journey?
Jacqueline, I studied nursing and have built a career in the biopharmaceutical industry.
Hi, I'm Lotte. I studied artificial intelligence and work as a programmer.
Imagine we struggle with the same health problem. This could be anything, from mild sleep disturbances to diabetes to depression. For such problems and conditions, digital health solutions can provide easy, accessible, evidence-based, personalized treatment and care. But which solutions are reliable? And how do we choose a solution that matches our personal needs?
That's where our solution comes in. Polaris CrowdLab creates a personal care profile based on our unique situation and then recommends digital health solutions that are best suited to help improve our health. We recognize that what works best for me might not work at all for Jacqueline. Thus, we are building a service platform to help people navigate the jungle of digital health solutions to provide a reliable path to the best available care out there.
Currently, we aim to run a pilot for a health solution matchmaker. We're looking for organizations and opportunities to test our solution with 20 people. Contact us at hello@polariscrowdlab.com and benefit from the latest health innovations.
Because I'm not you, you're not me, let's get treated differently.
FabLink is a super app for additive manufacturing. It's an all-in-one, gamified social environment for 3D printing experts and enthusiasts, where there is learning by doing and interactive teaching. You can get hired by proving your expertise or offer employment to verified professionals. You can socialize with complete data privacy and get access to a secure marketplace, all within one app that starts with an educational segment to address the main bottlenecks in 3D printing adoption. There's not enough domain-specific expertise and no reliable ways of skills verification. We are a team that consists of educational experts, IT specialists, a lawyer, and a business developer. With us, you can translate your life experience and uncertifiable skills into employability assets and start building your personal brand.
We are creating an MVP and looking for first users to help us validate it in the market. Get in touch with us at info@fablink.com or visit the website.
The Dutch eating culture is distorted. People don't even recognize parts of the animal they're eating, vegetarian alternatives aren't in the offering yet, and people don't know what they're eating. I want to show you that with a little effort and a little more time, you can improve your eating habits. I'll be delivering the message to you by videos, through the web, by takeout, and even in the near future by cargo bike. With my experience as a cook and my passion for food, I can change your eating habits. Find me on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube and follow My Daily Dinner to stay tuned for more delicious food. My name is Lucas Velten and I approve this message.
Hi, my name is Betty van Dongen. I've been building software applications for 14 years now. In the past, I've had many chronic health problems. I regained my health in an incredible way by changing my food habits. To help myself with this, I've built software in which I can enter my needs for energy, carbs, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and I get a total set of real foods containing these nutrients. To help others get 100% of their nutrients, I'm turning it into a full-blown app called Foodwiser. With this app, I would configure my profile, go to the store, food shopping, scan my basket, and get it completed with yummy foods that meet my nutrition needs. In the Netherlands alone, there are 9.5 million people with a chronic condition. With a subscription to Foodwiser, it can't get any easier for them to improve their health. Contact me at hello@foodwiser.nl for investment and cooperation.
Hi, my name is Douda Blanken and I'm the founder of Keyflow. So Keyflow is an online document editor, just like Google Docs, just like Word Online, but very much unlike those two tools. It allows you to completely focus on the content. I would put it as you do the content and we do the formatting. So in Keyflow, formatting is as simple as selecting a template, which you can create yourself, or you can import one from your organization if it has one already. So the idea of Keyflow comes from a problem that I experienced myself many times on university, where you're trying to write a professional document in a team, and Google Docs, where you can real-time collaborate, it just doesn't cut it. It doesn't have the professional features like equations or citations. You have to go back into Word, and that's of course not practical. So Keyflow is designed to be the word processor that people love, because I really love writing, I really love making reports, but does anybody really have the word processor? Well, this is the one that I hope people...
Hello, my name is Floor Mennen. I'm single founder of Simsterhood. With my beautiful 4-year-old, I'm also a single parent. And I'm not alone. 22% of all Dutch families are single parent families. And every year, 1 out of 8 babies are born with a single mom. Did you know that the majority chronically suffers from social isolation, loneliness, reduced career prospects, and extreme time limitation? Phew, that sounds quite depressive, right? Well, soon there will be Simsterhood, the uplifting community app. It's a safe place to locally match like-minded single moms. The name derives from sim as in single mom and sisterhood. It's a place to empower and inspire, and above all, to bring some sunny moments to the common tough days. Simsterhood is currently in its solution testing phase. Moving forward, it needs validation of the pricing model and a kick-ass campaign to launch the idea on Instagram and to start already building the Simster community.
I'm Melle Jansen from MindMention, and MindMention is the expert on virtual reality for the experience of fears and phobias. And we want to help people with fears and phobias to be able to live their life. Our software is created in co-creation with mental health care professionals to use in current treatment. Virtual reality, gamification and biofeedback are the key factors of our software. And one of the major advantages of virtual reality is that the professional is able to give a client-focused treatment by being able to control the environment and make changes as they see necessary. And this is combined in a fully immersive experience for the client. The biofeedback gets used in the dashboard, which combines the features a professional needs in one simple solution. We are currently finishing up our software and are speaking with partners to pilot the software. However, we are still looking to speak with people who have knowledge and a network within the healthcare sector, but also people who have experience within the Dutch and European standards for data security in the healthcare sector.
Hello, my name is Israel Amidasu and I'm founder of Pop-Up Campus. Pop-Up Campus is developing a cloud-based education platform that will allow learning institutions, corporates, and professionals to design, manage, and deliver experiential programs and virtual course content using online drag-and-drop tools. We compete in the growing smart educational learning market, which last year was a $400 billion market and growing on a 17% annual growth rate. We are like Canvas and Wix.com combined with a more sophisticated 3D, AI, AR, and VR tools to help remove academic complexity for a practical, smart, and agile student experience. Currently, we have established our problem solution fit Through an extensive market research and engagement, we are now set to develop and validate our MVP, raise pre-seed funding, and access one of Europe's top accelerators. Thank you.
Hi. We cannot reach our CO2 emission targets without real-time energy management in the mix. We at Saita are building a data science cloud-based platform to let flexible devices like batteries or heating systems match the supply from renewable energy. Now, energy management is not a profitable service today, but all experts agree it will become one. And we'll need it for most large energy consumers. We need it across all sectors. The big energy companies in the West are already buying startups in this space. I know, I've worked for one 3 years ago. But at Saita, we are trying to provide a solution for our other actors who cannot just buy startups. There's mid-sized energy companies, there's non-Western companies, and they all need this tech to remain competitive in the energy market. We will provide an open source SaaS model and are looking for the correct partnerships to make that happen. Thank you.
Organizations in the maritime industry have complex product portfolios and calculations. The parameters to these calculations are repetitive tasks, time-consuming and an inefficient process. In many cases, final agreement is reached on the price. This doesn't reflect the true value of a brand. The customer experience would be different if they have the opportunity to make sustainable choices. It's time for change. Suppliers need to identify parameters that meet their customer values. Research from Accenture in 2019 supports this statement. It shows that 69% of the buyers under 40 are willing to pay a premium for more sustainable products. Unlike traditional pricing software, our AI-powered pricing solution enables sellers to automate their pricing governance to make data-driven decisions. We're currently validating the idea in the maritime industry, which generated in 2019 a direct added value of 19.7 billion in the Netherlands. Are you interested to optimize your pricing governance? Please reach out to me.
If you ever had to switch to a new sport club, you know how extremely frustrating that can be. The research and contacting process takes time. What if there was a single place where you could check out all the clubs looking for specific players and contacting them directly? Let me introduce you to Spin. Spin is a platform that creates a network between athletes and clubs, making the recruitment process easier and faster. Every athlete owns a personal profile with sport experience and achievements. Clubs can post team vacancies to which athletes can easily apply for. No more time lost. Using research filters, athletes can find the best team for them, get in contact, and start playing. I'm Amanda Burjo, a master's student in entrepreneurship and a sport lover. I'm working on Spin's customer discovery as part of Utrecht Students Validation Program. My goal is building Spin platform before June 2021 to address summer recruitment. So, let's play together.
Hi, I'm Marien Panhuizer from StartupLeap. One of my favorite quotes relates to my experience as a strategy consultant. Rowing harder doesn't help if the boat is headed in the wrong direction. You can operate more effective and efficient if you know which markets are most attractive and which products have the best market fit, so you can sell them with less effort. The best, if not only way to determine that, is with an internal and external analysis. Such an analysis is time-consuming and labor-intensive. You need to gather insights on many factors, spread over people, silos, and systems. That's why we've created StartupLeap, the self-service strategy platform. StartupLeap guides you with a questionnaire through all relevant business models and shows opportunities and priorities in clear dashboards. You get the right input from the right people and can scale and update easily. We've tested with marketing and sales directors on pragmatism and have started collaborations with universities who are using StartupLeap to train our future marketers. We have our first satisfied customers and are ready to grow. So, are you looking to define your strategy with confidence and embed instead of impose it on your organization? Book your personal demo on StartupLeap.com.
You are the equivalent of an Olympic gold medalist in sitting. And as your reward, you're going to die younger and more uncomfortable. And you'll have a crappy posture. The best way to change this is with an exercise program designed to do the exact opposite of what sitting does. In my clinical work, I devised such a program, and over again, I would see people's aches and pains magically disappear. I'm Craig van Heerden, a clinical professional turned entrepreneur and business student. We are unset and we are finding a way to scale this process. We are about to launch our first MVP in a video course. Right now, we need audio-visual production resources so that we can iteratively improve the course as we get feedback. Help us solve this health crisis, which is wrecking the body of every single person you know.
Hello, my name is Dimitri. I'm the founder and CTO at Velov Group. I'm working in the IT consulting business for the past 6 years, and today I'm presenting a new project aiming to solve how complex and cost-inefficient private email hosting nowadays are. So yes, I'm working on the hosting solution for business emails like CEO@mybusiness.com or firstname.lastname@yourbusiness.com. I think you got an idea. As long as I'm working in the industry, I am, my teammates, and our clients were never happy with available solutions, and I'm going to finally solve it. With my idea, users will be able to easily create and manage email addresses on their own domain names. As of right now, project in its active development phase, and we are working on the version 0.1, which would be available to the broad public by the end of the year. After the launch, we would need to focus on local markets and localizations, fund our marketing campaigns and customer support team. Thank you for your time. This was Dmitry with smpl.email.